The District Health Society National Health Mission East Khasi Hills on Thursday launched World Breastfeeding Week 2024 with the theme Closing the Gap Breastfeeding Support for All. Speaking at the gathering, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. M. Amperine Lingdor highlighted the significance of sharing knowledge about breastfeeding and its benefits. Lingdor shared her personal experience as a mother and expressed concern about the impact of untreated measles on mental health.
Ki kami kata tukang hospital bakari ki ko ki ayam kendit kabu kami ka joki pampiling ki ko ki jona kam tam lele na ka poto ki don na incubator hadu jan line ka jin jong ka jin sang jo ka joki kani gede ka jin koridor jong kabu jo ka kami But haki jela syakri India bro, but kamtam nilai haka risatla kepercayaan borok ini kidon yang kata breast milk bag kejagaan haka ba kikmi ki bapahu ya kapu ki contribute lagi ki ayat but berimpat ya ku kita ikut kita.
After 40 years of hardship due to the lack of